we are in danger of losing our Ramadan. Because that enthusiasm which we felt in the first week should have created in us a greater desire to do even more. So we should actually be moving upwards. The second week we should be more invigorated because we have experienced that fast as we should have experienced it. So the second week is going to be better than the first. But we're in the opposite mode because of the fact that we're still locked into the ritual fast. This is the main reason. We are still locked into the ritual fast, the ritual of fasting. That is that we don't eat and drink or have sexual relations between dawn and sunset. That's it. Otherwise, there is no difference. We haven't made any effort beyond giving up food during this period. So what we have done is we have turned our day into night and our night into day. We're staying up most of the night. And we're fasting in the day. The rest of the year, we are up in the day and we fast in the night. But that fast in the night that we have breakfast for in the morning, breakfast is break fast. Does that fast do anything for us?
Love.